Race number 8. And the race is on. Senior Bon running down the inside, rushing up. Power Negotiator, Touch of Gold. Bahala na. The favorite moving up by the rally is entry number 5, Something New. 11, Glass Cockpit. It's now Bahala na by Hapalang Glass Cockpit. And on the outside, Touch of Gold, Senior Bon racing import by the rally. 5th is entry number 5. And this one is Something New. Bahala na by ahead by the Glass Cockpit. Senior Bon down on the inside. 3rd, 4th, Touch of Gold. And racing in fifth, Purely Eager and Something New. And rounding the far turn, Bahala na by Hapalan, followed now by Touch of Gold. Senior Bon is running by the 3rd as they race the last 500. Bahala na by Hapalan, Touch of Gold. Senior Bon is running by the last. They race the final corner. Bahala na, enjoying by Hapalan, Touch of Gold on the outside, and Senior Bon. Bahala na, Touch of Gold is on the outside. Touch of Gold, bahala na, and by the Senior Bon. And nearing the finish line, it's an upset coming from Touch of Gold. Bahala na, Senior Bon. War Alert, Glass Cockpit, furiously eager for your Super 6.
Nadihading yun ah. Nakadihadi ata si Mayor.